Hi friends, so today we are going to Wathba Lake campsite, which is 45 minutes outside of Abu Dhabi city center in UAE, and it comprises 13 separate campsite, which either lake or desert view you can get, and the total capacity is around 120 people. There are 24 picnic sites, an area designated for barbecue, and some play area for the kids. It's a total 1.4 kilometer of stretch for scenic running track around the lake, and then recently set up another 1.2 kilometer long cycle track. You can actually get a rental bike also there. They have two volleyball football court. They have seven playground, a pontoon walk, two separate observation deck. Recently I noticed that they have food trucks, cafes. There in plenty of parking, and yeah, now they have restrooms also there. The site is really good, appealing if you want to be in the desert. We set up our own tent there. You can see my video how to set up a campsite tent for within 5 minutes. It's really a fun video, I would say.